Hello guys, welcome to Eagle Eye FX, and in today's video we are going to look at Bitcoin. And guys, I would really like to know what you think about Bitcoin, and on the comment section what your thoughts are on Bitcoin. Okay, so guys, remember to like and to subscribe to our channel, show us some love by doing that, and we are very happy when you do that to us. Okay, so I'm on the monthly time frame, and you can see that Bitcoin went up, and then there was a very big, bearish fall. A very big fall, and it's like now it's trying to gain momentum. And my question is, do you think that it has the capacity to reach to 64822.13? Okay, that's the highest so far. That's the highest so far, right? So let me go to the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, this is interesting because I see a level here. Okay, so you can see that the moment it was able to break this level 30,000, right? Then it came to find support, and that's when it pushed all the way to 64822.3. Okay, so let me draw this as a zone so that at least it's more clear. Right? Yeah, I like using zones rather than lines. Okay, so you can see that then it came back again, to supported and supported. Now it's supported again. It's this halfway to this level here, right? So it might easily go up all the way, or it might easily come back, but I've not seen any rejection in this particular level. Rather, I see some sort of a trend inside it. Zone inside a zone. Let me go to the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, I see something interesting here, because I see sort of like a zone here. If perhaps I can draw this way, maybe change the color so that it's a bit more clear to us. Then it's going to be a bit better, right? So you see that this level, there was a rejection at this particular level, 44,840. This zone came back, then there was momentum to break and to find support, went all the way, then came back to this level again to find support, then push up, then it came back close to the level, push, and then it came back now with momentum to our previous level. You can see this level here. Then see that there's some sort of consolidation, but obeying this level here, get to close to the level, and then it supported and supported. Now it was supported, went all the way, some little rejection, then came back with momentum to break. Then now you can see that it's trying to find support, perhaps to go all the way up to this particular level over here, right? So I've not seen a fake out, like breaking of this level and then coming down. So I don't know. I'm thinking that perhaps it might continue being bullish. It must be continue going bullish. And also I can see there's some sort of like pin bars here, some sort of confirmation that is meant to go bullish. But I would like to know what you think, because it can easily do that. Okay, or it can easily be this was a fake out and then come back to this level, then perhaps now gain momentum to either now break and go all the way. So but I would really like to know your thoughts as long as Bitcoin is concerned. But for my end, I think it might easily go all the way up to either this level here or this level here, or the highest level so far here. So I'd like to know on the comment section what you think, what is going to happen, what your analysis is telling you. Let's look at 4 hours. So from the 4-hour time frame, okay, the 4-hour time frame, let's see. And if I draw a trend line here, you might draw a line because of support here. You can call this break and retest. So using this, you can easily say it's going to sell, and then if it breaks, then it's gonna buy. Okay. Yeah, you can draw it that way, or also you can still draw it this way. I don't know how accurate that is. Alright, but I don't like using trend lines because can easily be wrong. Or perhaps you can draw this as a zone like that. That zone here. And maybe just target this level, because you see that there was a strong support to this level, then there was a rejection, then support, then it's come again to find support to go all the way to this particular point. All right, yeah. So guys, let me know on the comment section if you think that Bitcoin will go up to this level and perhaps be able to break and go all the way up. Let us know on the comment section what you think, what your views are, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you guys. Remember to like and to subscribe to our channel. Remember to share this content. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.